Hi, okay, so here is the video as promised. So I pulled out some pieces that were similar or just pieces that I really like. I actually have a lot more, so if you don't see anything you like, then just let me know. Or if there's something very specific that you're looking for that I don't have out. But I thought I would kind of show you some of these, and you'll see the prices are on these little stickers in front. That is the Etsy listing price. So there is a discount right now, and you would just, whatever that discount is, you would just take that off of this price. So it would be, for example, $245 minus the, I believe it's 30% discount for the sale that's going on right now. So this piece is the most expensive one that I put out. And I think it's a little bit more than the one that you were looking at, but this is really cool. So this is an actual pyrite crystal, so you can see the size of it. A huge pyrite crystal with another large crystal growing on top of it. And it is, so this is massive pyrite. You can see it's solid. It's very hard to find these really large crystals. So that is why that is so expensive and rare. And for example, like each one of these is a crystal. So this is one of those that has gotten this big, and then another one growing on top. This one is beautiful. It's the pyridahedrons, but it's kind of like that one that you had posted, that shape. It almost looks like a flattened out pyridahedron. So it's a really pretty shape with the striations. This one's got some calcite and quartz on it. And kind of an unusual formation. I actually had got a pretty large lot of the pyrite that has this shape. Usually pyrite from Juan Salamine is a pyridahedron. They do have some octahedrons, and I have some of that as well. I just didn't put it out. That's rarer. And occasionally cubes, but there is definitely some variation in the pyridahedrons. Here's a more classic pyridahedron. The crystals are a little bit smaller, but still quite large compared to what you usually get, and a lot of shine to this one. So this one is 96. Again, this one is 155. And this one is the same thing, a little bit smaller. You can see the nice striations, just kind of the way the crystals are placed gives it a lot of shine. And then here's another one. This one is 82. This one again has some of that kind of flattened, let me see if I can do a close-up, kind of that flattened pyridahedron. That's really unusual. Here are some kind of traditional pyridahedrons, and then you can see here this almost flattened look. This one also has a lot of great shine. It just really caught my eye when I was pulling these out. You can see all the striations and new little crystals kind of forming everywhere. That's a really beautiful piece. That one is 176. Here's another one similar to this first one. So it does have some calcite and some quartz. It has some nice large crystals on it. This one is 168. It's a larger piece, but look at some of that crystal size there. And there's kind of the typical, and then you have this curved pyridahedron, so it's got a little bit of both on there. That's a really, really beautiful piece there. And then back here, I have three smaller pieces that are smaller, but they're large, single large crystals. So more expensive because of the enormous crystal size. This one is 72. This one, it's got some really cool striations. It's got the lines and then this kind of interesting, almost feathery looking pattern on it. And then that one is 78. Let me do a close-up on this one here as well. This one is almost mirror looking, and it's got kind of that rounded pyridahedron shape. That one is 72. And then this one, 86. And let me look at the size of that crystal, and it's got beautiful striations and markings on it. And then the last one I put out was this one, which is similar to the ones in front, smaller size, so less expensive. This one is $65. And I'll just kind of go over them again. And then just let me know if there's any that you'd like more pictures or you have any questions about. All right, there we go.